Generating AI images in bulk takes a lot of time. You end up writing the same prompt again and again. Today, I'll show you how to fix this and generate consistent AI images in bulk. First, we need a story. Open ChatGPT and ask it to write a short story and make a base character out of it. Also mention 20 scenes based on the story. That way, we will have consistent character. Now go to Gemini and create the base character. Now comes the bulk generation part. Go to Google and type AutoWhisk extension. Add this to your browser and open it. Ask ChatGPT to write those 20 prompts and separate each prompt with 2 line breaks. It will format everything for you. Now copy the prompts, paste them into AutoWhisk, add the reference image, and generate all the images in one go. When you look at the results, you'll notice the character stays mostly consistent. That's it for today. I hope this helped. This is ArcPrompt.